Notoriously confusing words in English, since, for. Now, these can be confusing because they both tend to work with time, and people can get these confused very easily. But we're going to look at maybe a simple way of understanding it. Since has a starting point. It has a starting point and then it goes for time. Now, for is the duration of the time. We might understand there's a starting point, but the emphasis is on this duration of time, the time in between when it started and how it's still continuing to go, usually. So, since has a starting point. This one is focused on that duration of the time. Let's look at some sample sentences. Here's a sample sentence. He has been playing tennis He has been playing tennis since 4 o'clock. He has been playing tennis since 4 o'clock. So the emphasis is on that he started at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We can change it. He has been playing tennis since last summer. Since last summer. So there's this emphasis that that's when he started, last summer. And he still continues to play. Here's another one. He has been playing tennis since he was 5 years old. Since he was 5 years old. So there's this starting point of a 5-year-old starting to play tennis. So it has that emphasis on when it started. Now let's look at for. He's been playing tennis for 2 hours. He has been playing tennis for 2 hours. Now there's the emphasis on the duration of the time. It's 2 hours of playing time. That's pretty intense. Now let's look at this one. He's been playing tennis for 2 months. 2 months. Now, yes, it's the duration of the time of 2 months, but it's not that he has been playing continuously and doing nothing else for 2 months. It's just during the 2 months, he has been playing tennis. And he never played tennis before. He's been playing tennis for 2 months. Now, we can try this one. He's been playing tennis for 2 years. So there's an emphasis that for 2 years, he's been learning how to play this. He never played it before. So the emphasis is on the duration of the time of the 2 years. Since has a beginning point. For is focused on the duration of the time. Since and for.